Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Samrita Chatterjee and I am currently studying in NIFT Bhubaneswar and I'm pursuing the course Fashion Communication. I am currently in my fourth semester, that is second year. So this is one of the video I'm very excited about. I know this one thing that whenever I was preparing for NIFT, whenever I was dreaming of NIFT, one thing I also dreamt of was a fashion show. And I always wanted to experience a fashion show because I was really intrigued by how cinema showcases the background hustle for a fashion show, and with social media being so prevalent these days, we get to see like backstage hustle and green room hustle of film stars or the influencers we follow. So I always wanted to experience it. And the last Sunday, 31st of January, I got this opportunity to be the part of this fashion show, which was held in collaboration with NIFT and KVIC, which is Khadi Village Industries Commission. Khadi and Village Industries Commission, and it was basically the show was all about like promoting handloom and khadi. Everything started on like 30th of January with fittings and everything. So you will be assigned models. Initially, like there were 4 sequins, and initially I was allotted to this one of my own friend from my department, and I had to assist her. So it was like calm and soothing because I'm already comfortable with her, and it was nice. And then for the 4th sequence, I was assigned to this one of the model, who is a professional model, and I was a bit nervous because this was the first time, and they asked that who can do draping. So I'm good at it, but I'm not confident at it. But then I say to myself, like, Samrita, you have to find your underconfidence. You have to do this time. Nobody would come here and spoon feed you. You have to stand for your own self. Just let's do whatever happens. And then I get to assign this model, and I had to drape the sari was put into the mat, like body form. It was draped. You have to take the pins out, and you have to like drape the sari onto the model. I was taking out pins, nervous. I was forgetting how to drape a sari. Like everything was a mess. And then I calmly took out all the pins, and then I started draping. And the heat of the moment, I forgot how to drape. And then I did everything, but then the equation was not solving while scene ho gaya tha. And where the model was so nice, she was so kind, and she was like, wait, let me help you out. And she only draped the sari, and I was like, I'm so sorry. She's like, it's okay. She was so calm, she was so nice. And then I draped the sari. Then the stylist came, he gave his opinion, he changed the drape. It was very different from what we thought. Nice for the ramp, but then it was a little bit hurt, controversial, sorry. But yeah, and then the next day, the show was starting at 6, so we went, and udhar jaake bhi like you get to learn so many things. Like the stylist who was guiding us, he told us like we were just keeping the garments like anything, and he was like, you don't do this like this. And he was so calm when we thought like he'll be shouting. We thought that fashion show is all about like scolding the volunteers. And like one of my friend I was talking to, she was telling me like how bad experience she had. They mistreat the volunteers, and I was like so scared from the core of my heart. I just didn't want to spoil my first experience, because in my head it will turn into a negative experience, and I would be never able to approach a fashion show invitation again. So yeah, but he was so kind, and he was like, आगे जाके तुम लोग जब बुटीक खोलोगे, क्या तुम लोग हैंगर्स ऐसे पुट अप करोगे? नहीं, all the hangers should be facing in the same direction. Saris ऐसे नहीं लगाते. Saris you have to put it like this, and then you have to put it in the hanger. And he taught us everything very kindly and gently. Then he told us like sequence wise रखो, ऐसे करो, वैसे करो. And like he was so calm. And then he was like, girls, let's go and take a look at the stage. We went to the stage, we took a photo there, and it was so nice. And then uske baad we came in. Like it's the fashion show, it's like pura time up free. But when the show starts, an hour before that, rush start hota hai. And you get to like dress first sequence, third sequence, second sequence, and the first sequence models will getting repeated in the fourth sequence. So तुम fourth sequence का पहले से prepare नहीं कर सकते, first second sequence होगा, उसके बीच like first sequence का लोग नीचे आएंगे, तुम जल्दी drape करके fourth sequence के लिए भेज दोगे उन लोगों को, like within seconds you have to do. I was a bit nervous. I was like ड्रेप कैसे करूंगी, गलत ड्रेप ना हो जाए। भाई मैं इतना नर्वस थी कि मैं सुबह अपनी रूममेट को साड़ी पहना के देखी हूँ कि हाँ मैं पहना पा रही हूँ कि नहीं। ओके, एंड देन उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वो आई एंड आई ड्रेप्ड द साड़ी, बट लाइक more than what I draped, the stylist himself came, he draped most of the part. Kind of thankful because I was nervous, what if I messed up, but again I was prepared to drape nicely. Then I helped my other friends to drape their models, and then again the fashion show started, and it was a magnificent experience. Like, to be near the stage, to experience the models walking, even though it was a very small event, it was just a opening event kind of, but it was so nice, it was so beautiful as an experience. Like, you guys can see the videos next. If you guys are still watching, thank you for watching my video. I'll keep on sharing my little small but exciting experiences just like this. So आज के लिए bye bye.